Here's your chance to take Allure to the next level and get 10 times more results with zero extra work. That's because with our Allure Pro upgrade, you get a ton of extra features that really complement the software, and with zero extra work from you, lets you 10x your results. Here's why. You get 54 new SEO tools included inside Allure, so that's 54 new SEO services that you can sell. Some of these include keyword research, visitor analytics, website auditor, an article rewriter, a backlink maker, a spider simulator, text-to-speech, keyword density checker, meta tag generator, a robots generator, your very own online ping tool, and a blacklist lookup. So those are some of the very coveted services online that people would pay hundreds of dollars to get. You can automate them and sell them to other clients with Allure Pro. Now it also unlocks what we call unlimited everything. So you're no longer limited to the number of backlinks that you can send for one link or one website. So you can send unlimited backlinks to unlimited sites. Right now, freelancers who offer backlink services to clients manually, they're making an easy $5,000 per month, but Allure Pro here does it all for you automatically, and you can charge your clients less than your competition and dominate your marketplace. Moving on, you're also going to get our incredible article generator, which allows you to create unique articles and then sell the content as well. It's 100% unique, 100% ready to sell in seconds. Now, content marketing, besides backlinks and SEO, is the other huge service industry online that allows you to sell services of article creation on Fiverr for hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month. You're also going to get agency license, which allows you to install Allure on client sites and then do the optimization there. So you can charge them a hefty fee, or you can even create a site with Allure and then flip it on Flippa or sell it to them or whatever. And you're getting premium support, so it's available 24/7. You get an answer within minutes from a specially trained technical guru. And you also get in-depth training. So Allure is incredible at getting results, but we're also showing you step by step how to use it to get the best sort of results, number one ranking after number one ranking, with our in-depth training. Finally, as if it weren't enough, you're also getting the ability to automate your backlinks, so you don't have to keep logging into Allure and then doing manually. You have literally an on switch that once turned on, it's going to send backlinks every single day on autopilot without you having to lift a finger. It's all available for you at an unparalleled price. You're literally getting over $7,000 worth of value for over 100 times less. So take action right now, click the buy button below, get the Pro upgrade to Allure, take advantage of all of these incredible features, and I will see you on the inside.